Listen, everyone, because as far as I know, I want to share through the video. Maybe you also want to speak English like me, but you don't know how to do that. Is it true? Let me tell you about this language. You can do it because there is nothing that you can't. But you have to do something different like other people, as I do every day. It doesn't matter that people watch or not, people appreciate or not, it doesn't matter. But I always say to myself that it is okay. Today I am not capable. That is why people they don't want to watch my video. But I am sure that the day I will be like that, people will search about me. People will search my channel. This hope always make me strong. So here I don't have anything still I want to say that because I am not saying that I am master in this language, but I want to be master in this language. It's true that sooner or later I will do it because I every day put my effort. Sometimes I feel like should I be able to do or not, but someone inside me said that don't worry, keep doing. Everything always take time, and what work you do, this is a very expensive. So what I am telling you, if you have some kind of dream which you want to do that, but you are struggling so far in your life, first of all, you have to know that where I do wrong, so that I am struggling in my life. As soon as you know about your weakness, first of all, you have to fix it. Until you fix it, you will unable to do anything in your life. I'm not saying that I am perfect. I have also some kind of problem. I will try to fix it, but I am unable to do that, but I believe myself that it is okay that it is today difficult, but I will make it easy sooner or later. So don't worry if you want to do something good in your life. First, you have to know about yourself that where I am, what I want, what should I do so that I can change myself. You know, until you change yourself, you will unable to do good things in your life. I am not saying that you don't have talent, you don't have brave, you don't have enough skill, you have everything. Still, you are struggling. Do you know why? Because you don't know how to use that thing and where to use that things. The day you will know that how to use that things and where to use what things where to use. The day you will, no one can stop you to success in your life. You know, because I remember when I was studying in 12th class. That time I used to think that life is easy. Why I very? Because my father has had everything. I used to think that time. But now I realize that there is nothing that I was thinking. when I was child. Sorry guys, here I am unable to make properly what call it, because here I want to say that here I am unable to make lengthy sentence. Still I am try to speak in front of camera. I don't care that who is proceed, who is ignored, because I know that where I make mistake and how can I fix it and how I will do that people will proceed to my video, you know. So that guys please forgive me because here I want to stop video and let me sleep because last night I was unable to sleep. That's why I feel like so tired and I will make video in as soon as I will go from here I will make video very well because as you know that English is it's just things. If you don't practice, it look like your enemy. So I will give you one simple suggestion that you should practice every day. You should start listening. You should start whatever you want to speak. You should speak everything in English. You can be easy. Trust me. Bye, guys.